Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I am sharing a 2-ingredient recipe that can be cooked in just 2 minutes. And in this recipe, I am not going to compromise with taste. Today I am going to make chocolate roll with just bread slices and milk chocolate, and that too without oven. So let's start making. Here first I am taking 4 slices of white bread. Roll it thin so that it can be folded easily. Cut the 4 sides. Discard the side part. Roll the middle portion a little bit. Apply water on all 4 sides. Now take milk chocolate cubes. Here I am using Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk. Put 2 cubes at the middle of the bread. Roll it tightly and tuck the center well with water. Now tuck the 2 ends, applying little water. Cut the rough ends if necessary. Similarly, I am making the other 4 chocolate rolls. Now I am applying little melted butter on the rolls. Heat a pan on high flame. Now place the rolls with buttered side on the pan and turn the temperature to low. Now apply butter on the upper side. Toast it until the lower side is crispy. It will take nearly 3 minutes on low flame. Turn the rolls and toast the other side. Apply little butter if necessary. Toast both sides until it is golden and crisp. Now serve it and enjoy. If you love this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get many interesting updates. Thanks for watching it.